Where is Patricia? Where is Patricia? I have been busy eating my food. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Before we start, for everyone that keep asking where do you buy this, where do you buy that, please check the description box for my WeChat ID. Send me a friend request and I will recommend an African store where you can buy all your African foods. Without wasting time, let's get right into the video. I got some plantain and I didn't want to fry them. I also did not want to make geese dodo. So this recipe, I'm trying it for the very first time. I've never made this before. I just sat and I was like, what can I do with my plantain since I don't want to fry it and I also don't want to make geese dodo? I thought I should just try something new. First, I'm going to take out the shell of the plantain. After taking out the plantain shell, I'll cut it into smaller pieces and I would boil it with just salt. I boiled the plantain for about 10 minutes and then I sieved out the water. Heat some oil, add your onions, your diced onions, allow it to fry for a while and add your tomato paste. This tomato paste, as usual, I just blended fresh tomatoes and onions with some pepper and some tomato paste. I made sure I fried the tomatoes to be very dried and then I added my spices. After adding my spices, I whisked the egg and I added the egg, allow it to stay for a while, I would say. This frying pan is the best thing I got so far. No matter what, it doesn't burn my food. It's actually a non-stick frying pan, so the egg is ready. I added my plantain and I stirred it for a while and that was it. Guys, this tastes so good. So this is my plantain recipe. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support me. That's it guys. If you don't have plantain, you can use Irish potato. do the same thing. Just take out the shell of the Irish potato if you want, boil it for a while, and follow the same procedure. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support me, and also share this recipe. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.